Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing a hands-on demonstration of the Moxa Smoke Terminator by Chiefy. This machine is specifically designed to enable you to perform moxibustion in clinic rooms and hospitals where smoke is not permitted. Unlike solutions where it's necessary to install piping inside the facility, the Moxa Smoke Terminator is an all-in-one machine that contains HEPA filters to eliminate 99% of impurities in the air that enters the device. The result is you can focus on your treatment without worrying about the lingering smell of Moxa. Now, let's take a closer look at this machine. The unit itself is comprised of three parts. We have the base unit, the neck, and we have the head. The head is made of durable plastic and is connected to the neck with 4 screws, as you see here. The neck is adjustable and can be set to the ideal position depending on whether your patient is sitting on a chair or laying on the bed. The neck is connected to the base with another 4 screws, as you can see here. On the front of the base unit, we have power light and a simple knob that controls the power of the suction. Now you can set it to low for ultra quiet performance, or you can set it to high to increase the area of the suction. On the back of the unit, we have a 110 volt AC plug that is detachable on the right and the power switch on the left. Now let's open up the base and see the filters. Unlink the metal clips on the left and the right. The first layer is a white fiber-based filter. This needs to be replaced when the filter turns from white to brown. Through our testing, if you use once a day, expect to replace this every 3 months. Now underneath this filter is the HEPA filter. Now this filter uses the same technology as what you find in airplane cabins to get rid of impurities in the air and recycle fresh air at 20,000 feet. This filter is powerful and gets rid of particles that the white filter doesn't. Now, underneath both filters is the main vacuum that drives the machine. Now, let's give this unit a try, shall we? Now we're going to be testing 3 products. First, the Moxa Candles, which give treatment anywhere on the body and is stick-on, so it's great for using the Moxa Terminator device to get rid of smoke. Next, the pure Moxa rolls. These are general-sized Moxa sticks. Next, we're going to be doing the Thunderfire Moxa. Now this Moxa is extra thick, as you can see, so it'll be perfect for demonstration in this device. Now let's go ahead and power on the device. Now at this rate, it's barely turning on, but as we can see, we can turn it on to full power and you'll start hearing the fan run. Now this will be max power. Now at max power, we have plenty of suction, so let's go ahead and test out our first item. We're going to be using a Moxa torch. As you can see, it's a professional Moxa torch. This is perfect for lighting your Moxa, very strong. Now, let's go ahead and light it until the top part of the candle turns gray. So once it turns gray, we'll know that the Moxa is properly lit. There we go. And now you can see the smoke already coming out. Ooh, it's hot. Okay. Now let's go ahead and turn on the unit. And already you can see the smoke being sucked into the suction. You can see we have a very strong suction. Up next, we're going to be testing the pure Moxa sticks. Now these sticks are what you usually find on the market. That's very popular for Moxa. the paper packaging right here. It goes right off. And now we're ready to light this baby. Now let's light this unit. You can see, as even if we pull it away from the unit, you can see the suction is still very strong. So ideally, when you're performing Moxa, you want to be at this position, so you get the heat but no smoke. Once you're done with the treatment, you want to go ahead and use a Moxa smoke extinguisher and just go ahead and extinguish the smoke. You always want to use a metal device. With this, it's particularly used for putting out Moxa. So once you're done, you can go ahead and leave it in there for the next time you use. Now the last product we're going to try is going to be the Thunderfire Moxa. This Moxa is up to 4 times as strong as normal pure Moxa, as you can see here. So today we're going to see how well this goes up against the Moxa Terminator. So let's go ahead and take it out of its packaging. There we go. And light it up. Oh yeah, I can smell the Moxa right away. And look at that flame. Okay. Looks like we're almost ready. Okay. Now there we have it. Wow, that is strong. Now let's see how well it fares up against with the Moxa Smoke Terminator. Now it looks like it's no match for the Moxa Terminator. Now during treatment, we're going to be positioning it like this once again. So you can see you get the heat on the bottom and smoke on the top. And all of that smoke is being sucked away. And even when we pull it further away, you can see it's still being sucked right into the machine. So this unit is very effective when you're doing moxibustion treatment in the office and you don't want any of that smell. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any questions, leave in the comments section.